So from the ground up, we also do drainage, and drainage is the one point that you can't mistake. It's the one thing in your property that you can't run from. You cannot run from water. So before we do anything, the first thing that we look at is your drainage. Your downspouts, are they coming out to the edge of your home? Are they spilling water directly next to your foundation? Or are they being piped out all the way down to the edge of the street or into the back lake? Water is something that you can't run away from, meaning that if you have improper pitch, your water is running back towards your house. If you have standing water, or if you have downspouts that just aren't piped away, those become problem areas that lead to longer and more extensive and expensive projects. We cannot install any landscaping until we fix that portion of your property. We can make your property look pretty, but if we don't understand and fix the underlying issue, being your water or your drainage issues, then all that prettiness goes away in just a few months. Fix the issue first, fix the drainage first, allow the drainage to be the foundation and the basis of your project, and then we can make sure that everything else stays beautiful, efficiently well kept from here on out. So drainage issues are one of the things that we unfortunately see a ton of, and they are actually the leading cause of floods within the home. It's not the tidal surges that you see in shore acres. It's not the ability of your pool flowing back into your house. It's actually just improper drainage. So what that means is all the water cascading back into your home. The unfortunate part is that not only does that kill off the entire area in the backyard, but it also tends to be just a plethora of issues inside your home. Mold, drywall, molding, sometimes furniture, sometimes electronics, anything that's going to be touching the ground gets affected by this water. So drainage is extremely underrated in our industry, and the know-how and the expertise that we bring from the ground up in order to fix that is absolutely crucial to making sure that you have a house that's well maintained and also a project that is well performed. One of the main differences that we over at From the Ground Up do a bit differently than other providers in terms of drainage is that we don't use corrugated pipe or perforated pipe. So what it is that black pipe that you would normally see at some of these other big box stores. The issue with that is that it tends to bellow, meaning that it tends to sink over time because Florida has a very sandy base. It tends to collect all the contaminants coming from your roof line. So that's going to be all your leaves, all your mud, all your dirt, all your scale, whatever may be coming off your house there goes directly into those pipes and sticks and stays. In the worst case scenario, it just, because of the material it's used, tends to be just a ton easier for your plant spec, your hardwood trees, your oaks, whatever it may be, to grow directly through that. Where we differ is that we use materials that you would see normally for sewer installation. That's going to be Schedule 40 or Schedule 80 pipe. This pipe can't be killed. It can be ran over. It can be mushed. It can be gushed. You can't kill this stuff. And because a slick, one solid piece of pipe, there is no ability for any of the contaminants to stay in itself. If you have From the Ground Up come in to fix your drainage at your house, you can expect a few things. You can expect to never flood again, the project to go smoothly and efficiently, and you can expect product that we can stand behind. We warranty every bit of our drainage projects that we do to the point where we've actually never had to go back on a warranty. The idea behind drainage that we do here is we actually shoot a transit laser from the top of your elevation to the bottom. We find that elevation and we make sure that it is pitched 100% perfectly to a laser pinpoint amount. There is no guessing and checking, no line levels. It is absolutely done with the latest and greatest technology.